Herlice.
Herlice.
What's rolling perf spotters? The first day on Kuta. The waves look good. The swell looks good. I'm excited. Yeah. Arrived at the Seger Reef. Absolutely nobody's here. We'll check out if I find a spot to surf. Segar Beach. The waves are incredibly high. Huge waves. Nobody's surfing. We're probably gonna avoid this spot. The waves are pretty dangerous. With the stones beneath them, this is probably a beach for pros. Oh. The waves at Segar Reef were really too damn high and too messy, too dangerous to get out there. So we decided to hop on back on the scooter and drive further along the coast to find another surf spot. This is Pantai Are Guling. The waves don't look that bad, but absolutely no surfboard rental in sight. Arriving at Are Guling, I was able to rent a surfboard right at the beach there. There is a small warung, shop selling some fruits and other things like beverages. The waves were messy too, but at least there were no rocks in the water, so I decided to go out there. But it was pretty messy and the current was dragging me in different directions, and I met only one other surfer. Other than that, the lineup was empty. So back on the scooter, back to Kuta City. Beautiful how the setting sun is shining into our room. Nice atmosphere. Segar Reef was too crazy waves. We went to Are Guling and I rented a board right there. It was a board rental. The waves were crazy high, so I just was paddling in front. That I am not that experienced in surfing. I just was paddling in the front It was a little bit disappointing. I could not stand the board, and but it was still good to move on to practice, dog dive, paddling, moving. That was great, and I'm excited to surf tomorrow, or at least trying to surf. And now we're off for dinner in Kuta.